Hey Ben, welcome back. Today we're going to be counting through Rhythm Chart 4, dotted half notes. So by now you should have already watched the instructional video about dotted half notes, and we know that dotted half notes receive 3 beats each. You may have also had a question about this section over here, where it says, ask your teacher what the letter C means in measure 1. Well, here's what they're talking about. This C right here in the place of the time signature. This C stands for common time, and the most common time signature is 4/4. So we are counting still in 4/4 time. So let's take a look at what we have. Measure 1, the most boring measure in the world, so 4 quarter notes. We've got that one. Measure 2, 3 quarter notes, followed by a rest on count 4. And in measure 3, we have our very first dotted half note. So remember, that's getting 3 beats in the measure. Beat 1, 2, and 3. And then beat 4 will be silent. So when we get to this dotted half note, it is 3 beats, but 6 pulses. So we are going 1, and then a rest on count 4. You have a half note, 2-count half note in measure 4, followed by 2 quarters. So let's give this a try. Here's our met. Sit up tall on the end of your chair. And let's begin. Down, up, ready, and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 3, 4. Next line we're going to take a look at today starts at measure 13. So in measure 13, we have a quarter note followed by 2 quarter rests and then a quarter note on count 4. Measure 14, 2 quarter notes followed by a half note. So this half note occurs on beat 3. So we have beats 1 and 2 are taken up. So this half note is 3. And in measure 15, there is our next dotted half note. So 3 beats for that, 6 pulses. 1, and that leaves our quarter note here with beat 4. Measure 16, we have a whole rest, so that will be 4 beats of silence when we get there. Here's our met. Sit on the edge of your seat, and down, up, ready, and clap. 1, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 4. Now move on down the page. We're going to go to measure 25. And let's take a look here. We have quarter note, half note. Measure 26, we need to be concerned about the rest on count 2 and the half note on counts 3 and 4. Here in measure 27 is our dotted half note again, so 3 beats, 6 pulses, 1, and quarter note on count 4. And this time the last measure will not be a rest whole note, a rest for 4 counts, but a note for 4 counts with the whole note. So let's begin, starting at measure 25. Tap your foot and down, up, ready, and go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Let's do that line again with the counts. Ready? Down, up, don't forget to clap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you next time.